Hey guys, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to mark an email as important. So open up your Gmail here guys on your Android or Samsung phone and find the email that you want to mark as important. So let's say I would like to do this email here from the Cora team. All you have to do is just press and hold this email, then click the three dots on the upper right hand side, then click mark important. And that's it. Now, if you want to view these emails again, because by looking in your inbox, you don't really see that it is important. So just want to click the three lines in the upper left hand side, then go to important, and you will find those emails that you marked as important, right? And if the email is not read, then when you go back there, you'll find the amount of emails that are there. If the email is unread, you'll see it shows a number, but if you go to the email under important and read that email, then if you click the three lines again in the upper left hand side, then you will not see a number, but you can be sure that those emails are in fact in this folder. And that's it.